Good night, teacher and Panthers. My name is Lady Joanna Rodriguez. I live in the city of Bogota in the suburb Fontana. I live here 6 years old with my husband and my son. Close to my house is the humid rabbit. This is a natural reserve, the good thing about living here is the tan. The here tan is breathed is cleaner compared to other neighborhoods. One of the places I frequent moments in the Fontana Park. This park is the largest in the locality of Rice. In this place we have fun with my son. Sizing this park has cycling tracks, playground, soccer fields, green areas and outdoor activities are carried out. The shopping center closest to my house is the Imperial Square. There we spend a lot of the weekend. I love going to eat at crepes and waffles. Transmilenio, the Suba Portal and the Supercade are all nearby. Thank you.